Today's topic is the set difference in the list of dictionaries. We are going to do it by the two methods, which is using the list comprehension and using the iter_tools.filter false method. So let's start with the first method. So first we are going to initialize our list of dictionaries over here, which is list 1 and then the list 2. After that, using the list comprehension, we are going to store those values in the list 3, which are different from each other. So what is the first list comprehension statement does is it's going to store all those values which are in the list 1 but which are not in the list 2, that is the John, Joey and the Frank. These three elements of our list of the dictionaries are not present in the list 2, they are going to get stored in the list 3. After that, we are going to use a plus operator, which is going to add the other elements which are in the list 2 but they are not present in our list 1. And after that, storing those were elements in the list 3, and then we are printing them. As you can see it over here, John, Joey, Frank and the Ria, they, these are the elements which are not common in both of our list.